Spanish, our Muslim backgrounds, our pre-Columbian memories, know that tears are a gift for Allah and all the other gods. Yes, the white noise in my head is always a sad Mexican song. I am a believer. I believe in birds, songs, cows, crows, and tears. Alcohol, who always wanted one more 40, as did my sister pills, as did my grandmother, God. Desperate, I search for you because you don't have a park to get lost in, nor do you have relatives who make you late, nor friends with whom to talk to death. Happiness, I search for you and I search for you and I search for you. Happiness. Now just close with this very short last one. This is called Bending Word Metals. If all the words were made of metal, imagine how easily they would bend. Instead, when a person hates you and writes wetback on your cuaderno in the 3rd grade, and you think they're being nice, and you give them a caramelo because having grown in very hot weather, you want to be wet all summer. And you're a wetback, a beaner, mojada, a pocha, a fronteriza, a chicana, a gringada, a spick. So are your children and your friends.